Let's go back to the future, Mikey.
In this video, I will create his curtain bangs from the future.
Mikey, roll the tape.
First, I create the upper guy. Then I will move the guy down horizontally the same distance from the length. To create the undercut, I will use a traditional horseshoe section. To refine the line, touch it up vertically. As you can see in the pictures, this style is not being cut with the clippers. Using a wide tooth comb to perform the scissor over comb technique is ideal. The nape ends on a point. That is becoming very fashionable right now. If you want to change it from your graduated fade that you have right now, this is a great option. The reproduction on the movie is different from the series. The back of the head doesn't have an undercut, it's all uniform. Using the French technique, I will cut the whole perimeter. I will start first on the front with a diagonal forward, exposing only the lobe of the ear. Continue at the back, cutting a diagonal back, ending in a point in the middle. To create a dramatic effect, I will color the hair to the level 1 black. The color gives a strong look to this style, but it's not necessary for the look. Create volume and brush the bangs towards the back. Dry the rest of the hair with a natural fall, using a round or flat brush, depending on the texture of the hair. To personalize this haircut, I will add texture with direction. This will allow your hair to not end up looking like a helmet when you get in a motorcycle. Surely you have seen someone with this helmet look. Depending on the density of the hair, texturize more or less, as this is normally done on dry hair. You can determine how much hair you want to remove. Visit other videos on the channel so you can see how I use these techniques to reproduce different looks. Use the fingers to define specific strands and create texture. I recommend this type of cut for most type of faces, with the exception of wide, square or round faces. A lot of you commented on the tattoo that I did on the Dragons video. So here you have Mikey's Dragon 2. A lot of you suggested to make this video, so I hope you guys all love it. Looking forward to see you guys next week. Thank you for all your support.
This is Ángel del Solar, the hairbender.